Have you ever gazed into the boundless night sky and felt an inexplicable pull, a whisper from the void that hints at something far grander than our earthly existence? Imagine, for a moment, a being in a distant galaxy, billions of light years away, turning their gaze towards our own cosmic neighborhood. What would they perceive? Perhaps just a faint, almost imperceptible glimmer, a solitary spark lost amidst an ocean of celestial fire. We are but a single, fleeting note in the universe's eternal, symphonic composition. Yet, this seemingly insignificant presence holds a profound truth. Our home, the magnificent Milky Way, is not an isolated island in the vast cosmic ocean. It is an integral thread, intricately woven into a living, breathing, and profoundly interconnected network known as the cosmic web. If you've ever felt that quiet pull when looking at the stars, you're not alone. Stay with us. And let's journey deeper into the universe together. For countless millennia, humanity's understanding of the cosmos was limited by our perception. We envisioned galaxies as solitary behemoths, drifting in splendid isolation through an otherwise empty expanse. Then came the revolutionary lenses of Hubble, and more recently, the unparalleled vision of the James Webb Space Telescope, piercing through the veil of cosmic dust and time. These instruments revealed a truth far more intricate and awe-inspiring. Galaxies are not alone. They are bound together by invisible filaments, colossal structures composed primarily of enigmatic dark matter and primordial hydrogen gas, remnants of the universe's earliest moments. This grand architecture, stretching across unimaginable distances, resembles nothing less than the neural network of a colossal, cosmic brain. Each galaxy, a brilliant cluster of stars and nebulae, acts as a glowing neuron, firing with the energy of billions of suns. Each one a thought, a spark of creation, contributing to an emergent consciousness that transcends our comprehension. Together, they form something infinitely greater than the sum of their parts. A living universe, perhaps even a thinking entity, silently contemplating its own existence through the very structures it creates. If this vision moves you, tap like, and share this wonder with someone who loves the stars. Our Milky Way is far from static. It is a dynamic participant in this cosmic ballet. It hurtles through space at an astonishing speed, over 2 million kilometers per hour, on an inevitable trajectory toward its colossal neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. In approximately 4 billion years, these two titans of the local group will meet. Not in a destructive clash, but in a slow, majestic embrace. They will swirl, intertwine, and ultimately merge into a single, colossal entity we might one day call Milkomeda, the cosmic child born from the union of two ancient galaxies. This isn't a collision in the conventional sense, but rather a graceful intermingling. The vast distances between individual stars mean that direct stellar impacts will be incredibly rare. Instead, the gravitational forces will orchestrate a cosmic fireworks display, igniting new star formation as gas clouds collide and compress, for the distant descendants of humankind. If we are still here to witness it, the night sky will be transformed into an unimaginable spectacle. Billions of new suns blazing forth, painting the heavens with a tapestry of light. If this cosmic dance inspires you, subscribe to Space Facts Lab, and let's keep exploring the beauty and mystery of the universe together. When scientists meticulously map the large-scale structure of the universe, a startling and profoundly thought-provoking pattern emerged. The distribution of galaxies, clustered along filaments and voids, bore an uncanny resemblance to the intricate network of neurons within a human brain. This visual parallel was so striking, so eerily similar, that it ignited a philosophical firestorm. Could this be more than mere coincidence? Could the universe itself possess a form of emergent consciousness? A vast, self-organizing intelligence striving to comprehend its own boundless existence? If this audacious hypothesis holds even a sliver of truth, the implications are staggering. Every galaxy, a vibrant cluster of stars and cosmic dust, could be interpreted as a thought, a computation within the cosmic mind. Every star, a burning beacon of memory. And we, these small, curious creatures on a pale blue dot, might be more than observers. We could be the universe's own mechanism for self-awareness, its way of reflecting upon itself. Perhaps, when you lift your gaze to the shimmering expanse of the night sky, and feel that profound sense of awe and insignificance, it is not just you observing the universe. Perhaps, in that very moment, the universe is gazing back. If this idea stirs something within you, leave a Milky Way emoji in the comments. You might be part of the universe reflecting on itself. From the unimaginable distances of billions of light years, each galaxy appears as a tiny, almost insignificant speck of light. Yet together, their combined radiance weaves the breathtaking, intricate fabric of the cosmos, a tapestry of light and shadow that defines reality itself. And just like these celestial bodies, we humans, though individually small, possess an extraordinary power. Our true brilliance emerges when we connect, collaborate, and share our wonder. This interconnectedness is not merely an idea, it is a fundamental truth, woven into the very fabric of existence. From the stardust that forms our bodies, to the cosmic web that binds galaxies together. If you feel this connection, this resonance with the universe's grand design, share this revelation. Spread the wonder of life, the pursuit of understanding, and the timeless allure of the stars. Join us on this journey of discovery. Subscribe to Space Facts Lab. And together, we'll continue unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Because in the grand design of everything, the Milky Way is not alone. And neither, in the deepest, most profound sense, are we. Space Facts Lab, explore beyond the stars.